Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can optimize suction boost modes for carpets and hard floors, and there we have the vacuum Dreame X40 Ultra. So let's jump to the application. There we have the Dreame app. Open your vacuum, click on the three-dot icon, then go to the carpet settings. Now turn on the carpet boost, and now your robot will increase the suction power to clean carpets. And you can also turn on the intensive carpet cleaning. You can also go back and open the floor cleaning settings, and now you can activate the auto re-cleaning. And basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, comment, and goodbye.